Welcome to the Meeting Note template. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through this powerful tool designed to revolutionize your meeting experiences. No more scattered notes or disorganized planning. Let's dive in and see how you can make the most of every meeting. Step 1. Getting started. First things first, let's explore the tabs. This tutorial is not the complete tutorial. You will have access to it after purchase. The link to purchase this model is in the description. What will you receive with your purchase? This is a digital product, so you must download it to use on your device. After making the payment, you will be able to download 2 PDFs. A PDF contains a link to download the Google Sheets file and another link to the full tutorial. You can contact us at any time if you need to. Another PDF contains a link to download a bonus file, a habit tracker, and development as a thank you for your feedback. Why buy from my store? All updated files are updated with the original link, so you will not need to purchase the file update. As we improve the file, you already have the link to your first purchase and just download the file again.